All right, welcome back. Part three. Dang, hopefully we finish all this right now. Probably not. That's okay. Okay, let me start the timer. Here we go. So right here, the answer is saying A. So I know it's A. So let's just make sure we understand what's happening. Researchers says researchers in Antarctica discovered a warm sea current under the glacier that is causing the glacier to melt. The ice shelf of the glacier thickness is approximately 450 meters. The thickness of the shelf is decreasing, so we should know that's minus at an average of boom per day. That's per day, so that's my x. So we can easily see that 0.0x. Let's go to the answer choices. Well, obviously we know this one's correct. This one is correct, but 450 is not part of the parentheses, so that's not right. This one looks good too, but subtracting because they're decreasing, that says plus, so no, ma'am. And the last one, again, 450 is not part of it, so boom. Easy, squeezy. Let's keep going. Okay, this is another one. All you got to do here, y equals second graph to look at the table. I'm not going to do this one, but throw it over, throw it over, throw it over, throw it over. Correct answer is H, so make sure you throw it over correctly. Should go from positive to negative. Trying to kill time for you, ladies and gentlemen. There's another one, just y equals second graph and compare one at a time. Correct answer is A, so you should remember this is also y equals negative 3x minus 10.5. A lot of this is just repetition. I'm actually not going to do this one because it's from 2016 and I never really liked this problem. This was from 5 years ago, so it shouldn't pop up again. This is something I do want to go over, the butterfly method. These two are going together in a fraction. 264 over 11 seconds equal to the second fraction, and we just read what it says. What's the other part that's missing when we're given 408 centimeters? How do I know where to put it? Well, 264 is on top. That's centimeters. So since this one's centimeters, 408 goes on the top also. And I'll put X because that's what's missing. What do I need to do here? Butterfly method. 264 times X. 264 equals 11 times 408. Calculator, it's a humongous number. 11 times 408, 4488. And then divide. And then we find out what my answer is. 4488 divided by 264. 17. Which is G. G. Cool. Try the next one on your own. The answer is already given to you, but still try it. If x equals to 21, 21 over 3, what is the value of x when y is 105? You should get 15. Try your best. Same thing here. Answer 17. 35 over 140. So it's asking for y when x is 7. Cross multiply, divide. Same thing here. Answer is 60. 12 amps, 480 volts. 12 amps, 480 volts equals to 1.5 amps over, we don't know the volts. Cross multiply, divide. Cool, we're zooming through this one, I love it. Okay, real quick. Parallel, same slope. Looking at this equation, 1.2, so we're looking for positive 1.2. Not good, not good. Put this in y equals second graph. And look at that point. You should get C. Oh, I messed up. I'm crying a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. It's A. How weird. You know what? Just because it made me think I was wrong, now I need to check. 1.2x minus 6. Y equals 1.2x minus 6. Second graph. 0, negative 6. What the French toast? Oh, it's 5, 0. Reading it backwards. 5, 0. Okay, it's right. I read it backwards. My bad. My bad, my bad. Okay. Right here, x-axis at 36 is technically 36, 0. Perpendicular, opposite slope. What does that mean? This negative 4 over 9 turns into, flip it, turn it positive, 9 over 4. Nope, nope. All right. Put these in y equals second graph. Your answer should be J. Going a little fast there, but trying to save some time because there's still a lot of pages. Do that one on your own. Right here, it's crossing at 6 at x, which it says x at 6, not h, not f. How do I know what the slope is? The slope guy, positive up, negative down, 0 side to side. His nose is x. Boom. So his nose is x, so it's undefined. Slope is 0. Negative 2, 7, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a slope of 0 side to side. Crossing my y at 7. So y equals 7. A lot of information, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully you're studying. I know it's a lot. Right here, this is perfect because we've done this a billion times. 1.25 minus 10 equals 7.5. Border, distribute, distribute. 1.25 times 4x, you should get 5x. 1.25 minus 10, so you should get negative. Let's check it out just in case. I think it's 12.5. Yeah, negative 12.5. Who doesn't belong on this side? We're just solving for x. This guy, move over. 12.5 positive, bring down the positive 7.5, bring down the 5x. 12.5 plus 7.5, 20. divide, 5, 5. 20 divided by 5, 4. Boom. This is good stuff. It's a lot of work. Oh, shoot. Border, imaginary 1, negative 1 times 6, negative 6, negative 1 times 8, negative 8, 4 times 17, 68, 4 times an imaginary 1, negative 4m, and we start moving people. This guy goes over here, negative to a positive. This guy goes over there, negative to positive. Bring down the plus 68. Let's bring all this down. 4m minus 6m. And we fix it. 4 minus 6, negative 2m. 8 plus 68, 76. Divide, negative 2, negative 2. 70. 76 divided by negative 2, negative 38. But it's a lot of practicing, ladies and gentlemen, so just make sure the answer is there. G. Make sure you get there. Border, distribute, move people around. I'm not going to waste time because we should know how to do this. We're kind of going to zoom through this stuff because, hey, you need to know how to do this. I wish you guys were in school, of course, because it would have been perfect practice on the calculator.
Williams to Jones and Hutchins. Can I get you guys to meet me in the D200 pod?
Oh, I missed this one, right? Yeah. All solving. Perfect practice. Perfect practice. This is where it's going to get difficult. B, B. So right here it says no more than, that's a keyword of less than or equal to, the only person there, boom. But it's easy to say, okay, 2 each and 6 each, sausage and brisket. So basically saying 2x plus 6y is less than or equal to 120. You'll see right now, most of the stuff is always going to be less than or equal to, because it starts right here. No more than, does not, I'm sorry. So boom. Less than equal to. And it's saying roses is X, carnations are Y. Could have been opposite, but you're reading it in order. Check it out. Same thing over here. No more than. So.
You're in your office? No, I'm at E100 pod. On my way.
I'm going to cut it right here because I think they need some help. So I'll be back in a little bit.